I am relaunching my clothing brand SVOSVA and the days are getting closer and closer. And honestly guys, I am feeling incredibly anxious because I haven't done this in a while. Staying completely organized is the only way that I am going to get ahead and keep ahead. Because if you know anything about my journey, I had writer's block or designer's block. I actually didn't know what to release next. The first drop is going to be the archive collection, which is going to feature some of the family favorites from SVOSVA. The second drop is going to be almost like an essentials range. It's going to be blank garments that people can wear and have as part of their staple wardrobe. And drop 3 is basically what this video is going to be all about, because we actually need to design together some artwork for drop 3, and we're going to be doing that together in this video using Kittl. So what I was thinking to do was to actually focus on my off-white t-shirt. Let's jump into Kittl and get designing and actually see what we can come up with. If you guys haven't watched my previous Kittl video, that is a video to watch because we actually created some assets for drop 2 and it was really fun. Kittl is definitely something that I'm going to be using moving forward when it comes to creating content for my clothing brand. So definitely click to watch that video. I'll try and link it up here. If I don't link it up there, it will definitely be linked in my description. So we are on the Kittl platform. So we've got some of my old projects that I've worked on in the past. Then we've got Start with AI, which is definitely a tool that I'm going to be using quite a lot. But in this video, we are actually going to be starting with a template. We know that we want to design something for a t-shirt. So over here, I'm going to type in t-shirt design. What I'm looking to do is just basically get some inspiration. And straight off the back, I'm really enjoying what this looks like. But I'm going to carry on scrolling and see if anything jumps out to me. I think I actually need to narrow down my search. So luxury streetwear t-shirt design, and let's see what we come up with. I'm quite enjoying what this looks like, so I'm actually going to open that up in a new tab. I'm also enjoying what this looks like as well. I really like this vibe, and let's go for something quite minimal, simplest with this design. So let's click on the first one that I right clicked, and what I like about this is that it's now also showing me some similar concepts as well. So out of all of the designs that I've looked at, I really like the idea of this design. So this is the one that I'm actually going to go ahead and move forward with and, you know, edit and make it work for my brand, hopefully. I like the simplicity, I like the minimalism. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually change the color of the font. I really like the idea of like a green color. So I've clicked here where it says text colors, and I'm just toggling this until I get sort of like this shade of green that I like, which is more or less this shade of green here, and it's given me the hex code here, which means that I will be able to then just copy and paste that hex code, or I can find it down here. Now, funnily enough, this is talking about pizza, so we actually need to switch this up so that it's talking about SVOSVA. So over here, I'm actually going to type SVOSVA world, and I'm just going to shift that over. I am liking the look of that already. Then over here where it says Tuscan Treasures, I'm going to change that to say SVOSVA World. We were always obsessed with the whole concept of luxury. With this relaunch, we're moving away from that. So I kind of want to illustrate that. As you can see here, this is grouped, so I'm going to go ahead and ungroup this so that I can actually work with this. And I'm actually going to remove that box because it's not doing anything for me. So far we have changed SVOSVA World, obsessed with the luxury. Let's strip it back. In fact, I've realized the actual definition of SVOSVA is try me and you will see. And this would probably work quite perfectly here. So I'm going to go ahead and change this. We're going to get rid of this graphic, and we're going to ungroup this and get rid of one of the text boxes. The rest of the text I'm going to remove. I'm just going to play around with this to make it work. I like it to sit like this. I'm quite liking the way that looks, but I feel like it needs a little bit more. So over here, we've got a bunch of things that we can work with. So I can actually go ahead and add some text that has already been stylized. So that could work quite well. Or I could go ahead and add some illustrations. And there's some Y2K cosmetic abstract illustrations here that I would actually like to work with. So I'm going to click here where it says see all, and we can see some of these illustrations, and this might work quite well with this. And I like the idea of this, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my design. I'm gonna actually ungroup this because I'm gonna get rid of these so that I could go ahead and add some more of these like Y2K style sort of like concepts and just play around. Maybe this. This design here would probably better match my concept of SVOSVA world. So I am going to add that one instead. Make this transparent and change this to our green. And I'm going to change this to green and this to also green. So this is pretty much my design so far. And this is basically where we came from. So I actually want to go ahead and remove all of this so that I can go ahead and add my own t-shirt. So I'm going to go over here where it says uploads because I already have my t-shirt. As you can see, it's got a white background. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that white background. I'm going to go ahead and select copy, and I'm going to paste it onto this artboard. And I'm already liking how that looks. I don't have the reverse of this t-shirt, so let's see if AI can help us out. So this is the prompt that it came up with of this t-shirt. So I'm gonna ask it to create the back of this t-shirt and click generate and see what happens. And as you can see, it has produced the back of that t-shirt. So I will be able to now see what my design will look like on the back. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the background of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and paste it, and I'm going to move it into position and see what I actually really, you know what guys? At first, when I was designing this, I was thinking, what on earth are you designing? But seeing it on the t-shirt, I am actually really liking the way that looks. So this is basically what the front of the t-shirt will look like, and this is what the back of the t-shirt would look like. And that is basically my design concept for this t-shirt. I am really enjoying what that looks like. So guys, I have managed to design potentially my first t-shirt that is going to be a part of Drop 3. I definitely know that I want to move forward with the concept of an off-white t-shirt that has green text on it. So I am really enjoying the way that looks. In my next video, I'm going to be using Kittl to actually design the tech pack for this t-shirt, because as you know, when you're creating designs and you want to send them off to get printed or created by a manufacturer, you have to produce a tech pack. And Kittl actually has templates for you to create tech packs that you can then send off to your manufacturer. So I'm definitely going to be utilizing that in my next video. And if we have time in that video, I'm also going to be playing around with some animation when it comes to this t-shirt design. But yeah, I'm going to have Kittl linked in my description and in my pinned comment. So definitely check Kittl out. As you can see, there's a lot of different things that Kittl will be able to help you out with when it comes to designing for your clothing brand. There is so much to Kittl, there is so much to explore. So definitely check it out. Like I said, I'm going to have it linked in my description. Have a go, create some designs, create your logo, create some social media posts. There's so much to it. But yeah, I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. Definitely like this video if you liked it. It really helps me out. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and I will catch you in my very next video.